Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. If you're new here, I'm really glad you stopped by because today we've got something pretty cool to dive into because today I'm going to teach you on how to post on Instagram. So here in our Instagram, if you wanted to make some post, I'm going to teach you on what are the features that are available once you wanted to make your posts. May it be your first posts, then this video is perfect for you. So now I have opened my Instagram account, and then here on the lower corner we have here this add sign. So just click that. So now we have here this. So now in this one, in this part, you are about to choose the post that you wanted to post. So in here, you can actually select multiple. So you can click this one if you wanted to select multiple pictures. So you cannot select pictures and videos at once. So you can just choose pictures. So now in here, if you wanted to select multiple, then click that. So let's try. Okay. So now I have selected 3 photos. So actually you can edit this by dragging the photo. If you wanted to crop it, just click it with your 2 finger and then drag it or zoom it, and as well as with the other photos. So click next, and then in here you'll be able to add music if you wanted to. So we have plenty of music to choose from. And also you can add texts, you can edit them. We have here various fonts. And also we have here these filters that you can choose from. So we have plenty of filters in here that you can choose from. Then we can also edit the photos manually. So if you're done, just click done and then click next. So just wait for a while, and then after clicking next, you can add your caption. So like for instance, hi. And then you can also tag people such as your friend or any collaborators and so on. You can also add your location as to where you are from that specific moment. So another thing, you can still add music. There's plenty of music to choose from. And then audience, you can choose if you wanted to make your audience for everyone or just for your close friends. And another thing, we have here this feature that you can share your post in threads or in Facebook. But as for mine, I'm not going to toggle that one on. So we also have here this more options that you can choose from, or you can edit manually. So after that, if you're already satisfied with that, then you can click share to finally post your images. So that's it. Thanks a ton for watching. If you'd enjoyed, don't forget to leave a like, drop a comment, and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. I've got more awesome stuff coming your way, so stay tuned and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.